Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting update on Messenger web chat, specifically focusing on how you can view all the photos that have been shared in your chats on your PC. This feature makes it easier than ever to keep track of memories, important files, or fun pictures that you've exchanged with friends and family. Let's walk you through this simple yet effective process so you can enjoy all your shared media in just a few clicks. First, you'll want to open your Messenger account on your PC. Head over to your web browser and log into Messenger. Once your account is ready, it's time to find the chat you want to explore further. This could be a conversation with a close friend, family member, or even a group chat. Whichever you choose, just make sure you've got the right chat in mind. Now click on the chat to open it. Once you're in, look over to the right side menu. Here, you'll see several options, and what you need to do is click on Media and Files. This is where all your shared images and videos are conveniently stored. After that, you'll see a couple of choices pop up. Select Media to view all the photos that have been exchanged in that conversation. And just like that, you'll have a visual collection of all the shared images right at your fingertips. You can easily scroll through these memories, click to view them in full size, or download any images you'd like to keep. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps to help you view all the shared photos in your Messenger web chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on using Messenger and other social media tools effectively. Thanks for watching.